y me llama el cocinero. Risita, ¿qué? Ve por la paellera. Venga, que a las 2 de la tarde ya están aquí. Miren, bañador, en las chanclas. Todo despeinado porque no me dio tiempo nada ponerme las chanclas y el bañador. Voy a la playa, había subido la marea. Eso. Eso. Había subido la marea y encontré una paella. Y la encontré porque estaba la paellera agarrada metida entre las piedras de Chipiona, del faro. Y cuando entro en el restaurante me ve el cocinero con una paellera y adentro la 20 paellera. ¡Asómate, mira dónde llega el agua!
Welcome back to Series 5, Episode 1 of the worst internet beer reviewer ever.
What an idiot.
Today we have from the Stoneyard Brewing Company, nothing to do with the Vineyard, a company in Brockport, New York, that's close by to us. This has nothing to do with the Vineyard. This is a 5%. It's a porter, chocolate midnight. Chocolate porter, it's called. Great can art. Gremlin, everybody's seen this before, I'm sure. I think Bumpy's reviewed this, everybody's reviewed this. So, why wouldn't I? Let's do it. Let's get an opening on it. Oh, yeah. That's nice and shaken up, I think. Nice color for the porter. Nice color. Nice. A little overcarbonated. The wife said she dropped this one. It's all dented up there, see it? So the worst beer editor also. Poured out to be a 12-finger head. Holy shit. Excuse the French. Look at that. That's a big head. Is this chilled? Yeah, this got dropped. Beautiful chocolate head. Beautiful smelling chocolate. Beautiful dark like cocoa nib chocolate. This comes in at 5%, I guess. I'll look at the can real quick here. Yeah, it's on there somewhere. 5.7%. Like I say, she poured to be a 14.5-finger head there. Why wouldn't it be? So we're going to let this settle down before we get a taste. The smell and the aroma, definitely chocolate. A little bit of coffee, maybe. Dark chocolate. Nice dark chocolate smell. I'm not going to get the hop, so I think I'll take a pause on this and let that head settle down and refill the glass and come back at ya. So this is, like I say, the beginning, Series 1 of the worst beer reviewer ever. Episode 5, Series 1. Why wouldn't it be? Alright, we're back with Stoneyard Brewing Company. Chocolate After Midnight, it's called. Porter, chocolate porter. The head, I'll let the head fade down for a good 5 minutes, actually. Chocolate, chocolate, chocolate. Oh, like a German cake. Like a German Black Forest cake. Let's get a taste on it. Wow. Yep. Very rich chocolate taste. Very, very rich. And the mouthfeel is very smooth. Creamy. Oh, I bet you got some oats in here. Kind of nice, nice lacing. The temperature is warming up because it's like 90 degrees out here on the outskirts of Buffalo. Why wouldn't it be? Oh, the smell and the taste is fantastic. So try to keep this short. It's an excellent porter from Stoneyard Brewing Company. Would I buy it again? Absolutely. Definitely a good tasting beer. Porter. Very, very good. The wife is going to love this one too. I brew one similar to this, only with peanut butter in it, but it's a stout. Very proud of this company. They got a good tasting beer.
Had a great name.
And it had a great name. So on a scale of 1 to 10, I'm going to give this like an 8.5 to a 9. Very good, very good. Like a little bit colder. It's warming up out here because, like I said, it's like 90 degrees. So, from the Worst Beer Reviewer, episode or season 5, episode 1. We'll rate this. We'll give this a good 9. Good job, Stoneyard Brewing Company out of Brockport, New York. 5.6%, 5.7%. Chocolate after midnight. If you can find it, buy it. Oh man. So this is the worst beer review ever. We're drinking our beer out of a straw.